The Great Wall of China stretches across mountains, deserts, and centuries, not as a single wall, but as a vast system of fortifications built, broken, and rebuilt by generations. Its story begins long before it became a symbol of China, when rival states during the Warring States period raised earthen ramparts to defend their borders. In the 3rd century BCE, China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, ordered these walls connected to protect his newly unified empire from northern nomadic raids. Forced laborers, soldiers, and prisoners worked under brutal conditions, packing earth and stone into defenses that were strong but costly in human life. Later dynasties expanded and reinforced the wall, especially during the Han Dynasty, when it protected vital trade routes of the Silk Road. Contrary to legend, the wall was never meant to be an impenetrable barrier. It was a military system, supported by watchtowers, signal fires, and garrisons that allowed armies to communicate and respond quickly across vast distances. Over time, the wall rose and fell with the power of the empires that maintained it. Periods of unity strengthened it. Periods of decline left it to crumble. The most recognizable sections today were built during the Ming Dynasty between the 14th and 17th centuries, after China drove out Mongol rulers and faced renewed threats from the north. These walls were constructed with bricks and stone, engineered with remarkable precision, and defended by hundreds of thousands of troops. Yet even this strongest version of the Great Wall was not invincible. In 1644, the gates at Shanhai Pass were opened to Manchu forces, not by force, but through internal betrayal, allowing invaders to cross the wall and establish the Qing Dynasty. The breach proved a lasting truth. The wall could delay enemies, but it could not save a divided empire. As centuries passed, the Great Wall lost its military purpose and fell into neglect. Stones were taken for homes, sections collapsed under wind and rain, and myths replaced memory. Despite popular belief, it was never visible from the moon, but it remained deeply embedded in China's identity. In the 20th century, as China redefined itself, the wall was reborn once more, this time as a cultural monument rather than a weapon of war. Restoration efforts preserved key sections, while others were left to weather naturally, honoring their age and scars. Today, the Great Wall stands not as a single achievement, but as a layered record of ambition, fear, resilience, and endurance. Silent and immense, it tells the story of a civilization that rose, fractured, and endured, stone by stone, across more than 2,000 years of history.